Hello, I'm Wyman,
And I'm Eli.
and this is NAC News.
Whatever happened to predictability? The milkman, the paperboy, the evening TV. You miss your old familiar friends, but waiting just around the bend. Everywhere you look, there's a heart, a hand to hold on to. Everywhere you look, there's a lust of somebody who needs you. When you're lost out there and you're all alone, life is waiting to carry you home. Everywhere you look, everywhere you look.
We had some students go to a bowling event today. There were so many strikes that you would have thought you were a textile worker in 1934.
Sophie and Kara have a story about that.
This past week at North Andrew, the PE classes have been taking field trips to Belt Bowl in St. Joe for their bowling unit. The classes have been learning how to properly bowl and also keep score without the computer. All classes from 6th grade to team sports took the trip hoping to show their mad skills to their friends at a real bowling alley. We asked Mr. Simmons, North Andrew PE teacher, a couple of questions about the trips. What are the trips for? His response was, the bowling trips are for the students who might not have the money or privilege to go bowling with his or her family. As educators, we feel that everyone should have a chance to prosper. We also asked if he bowled. He answered, I did bowl and had a great time. My score was a 99, 119, and a 300. No, just kidding on the last score. We also asked a few North Andrew 8th graders about their trip to the alley. Grant Lassen stated that his highest score on the trip was a 110 out of 300. None of the students asked thought they could beat Mr. Russo, North Andrews Middle School High School principal. The North Andrews students all enjoy going on these trips. We hope to see the tradition continue.
North Andrew is looking to have a new tax levy passed that will improve our facilities.
What? I'm already $64,000 in debt
How are you that much in debt?
by buying anime body pillows for $6.69.
Donnie and Mercedes have a story about this. Not anime body pillows, the tax levy.
North Andrew has decided to attempt to pass the tax levy. North Andrew worries about they will not be able to maintain their facilities and keep their entire staff if the current tax prices remain. A committee has been formed to support the tax levy in order to get the word out. A vote will be held April 7, 2020. The North Andrew tax levy is very important to many people associated with the school for various reasons. Mr. McDaniel says the purpose of improving district facilities and paying the increased cost associated with education programs, utilities, and other operation needs to the school district. He later explained that the currently quality of specific parts of our facility. He explains how old the flooring and roofing and AC units are, that their need for improvement. Recently, a committee was formed to spread the word and promote the tax levy. Tuesday, February 18, 2020, a meeting was held at North Andrew explaining every part of the tax levy. North Andrew is spreading the word by getting an article in the local newspaper and posting the North Andrew webpage. Currently, North Andrew has the very low levy compared to other schools nearby. The average tax levy of the district is 4.7. North Andrew's current tax levy is 4.3. In comparison to Jefferson's current tax levy is 6.3. Bramer is the current lowest tax levy in the area at 2.7. North Andrew will suffer many bad consequences if the tax levy does not get passed several years from now. Maintenance needs of the facility will not be able to be met. Cuts would have to be taken. This potentially includes staff members and programs. The passing of the tax levy is very important to many students, parents, community members, and staff members of North Andrew. Thank you.
This basketball season is winding down. That means we have districts.
Oh, and NAC have a story about that.
The 2019-2020 high school basketball regular season wrapped up last night for the North Andrew teams. Both the girls team and boys team had great seasons, but now it is time to play district basketball. North Andrew basketball took a step up this year to Class 2 after a growth in the student body. The Cardinals will be in Class 2 District 16 this year. The boys team finished with a record of 15-8 in the regular season. This granted them the 3 seed in districts, playing West Platte in the first round. East Buck received the first seed and Mid Buck received the second seed over the Cardinals. The Cardinal boys basketball team has high hopes to make a run in districts and win District 16. We interviewed athletic director and boys head coach Wade Bryson on what he wants to see from the team. We're hoping to go out and compete and play with the best of our abilities and see what happens from there, he says. The Lady Cardinals finished with a record of 9-13. This granted them the 6th seed in the districts. They play Mid-Buck in the first round. The girls team is very hopeful to get a spark in districts and try to win the girls bracket.
I'm Wyman, this is Eli, we're off to the hospital, and this is NAC News.